By 2021 in Sri Lanka, already 9 million tons of carbon was emitted due to its vehicle industry. And if you are an individual owning a vehicle, you would have emitted more than 4.6 metric tons of carbon. It's already 2024, so definitely it would be more by now. I want to introduce you to an app called mymech, which is developed in Sri Lanka. The app enables vehicle owners and mechanics to come together to help each other. But that being besides the point, every subscriber to the app, mymech will plant one tree. Already they have planted more than thousands of trees for every subscriber. By 2030, they plan to reach 1 million trees in Sri Lanka. You can already see the effects of climate change. Yesterday there was snow, but today all the snow has melted. This is the effect of climate change. We cannot solve this problem if everyone contributes to it little by little. So I encourage all of you to be part of the mymech initiative. I'm wishing Afzal and his team to bringing this initiative and making this difference. Thank you.